पश्चिम बंगाल राज्य सरकार की स्वास्थ्य राज्य मंत्री चंद्रिमा भट्टाचार्य आंगनवाड़ी और आशा वर्कर्स वेलफेयर एसोसिएशन की बैठक में हुई शामिल। सिलीगुड़ी नक्सलबाड़ी में आज तृणमूल कांग्रेस समर्थित आंगनवाड़ी और आशा वर्कर्स वेलफेयर एसोसिएशन ने दार्जिलिंग जिला मैदान महकमा परिषद क्षेत्र में एक बैठक का आयोजन किया। बैठक में स्वास्थ्य राज्य मंत्री और राज्य महिला तृणमूल कांग्रेस अध्यक्ष चंद्रिमा भट्टाचार्य महाशया और दार्जिलिंग जिला तृणमूल कांग्रेस मैदानी अध्यक्ष पापिया घोष समेत अन्य नेता उपस्थित थी। वेस्ट बंगाल स्टेट हेड TNI 24।
That I do not know. One JPC is meeting today, Joint Parliamentary Committee. So what do I say about that? Whatever Constitution says, Constitution has to be given the highest respect. Because this is the 75 years completion year of the Constitution by which we have been made Republic. We are Republic India. So that is where we have to think about the Constitution. Should we throttle the Constitution, or should we see that it is being the highest respect, it is being given the highest respect. So that is what is to be looked into. So I don't know, Joint Parliamentary Committee has sat, I have heard from you. So we are of that view, our Honorable Chief Minister has already made it clear.
Ma'am, there is any question, rising questions on the border security, and yesterday
Border security, we have said that we are doing our best. So whatever has to be done from the end of the central government, they will be doing, and they are required to do. And today in the newspaper I have seen that Bangladesh has created some obstruction. So that is being looked into. That is a question for the nation to think about.
State Governor visiting the border adjacent
That I
regions.
do not know. He wishes to visit, he can visit.
What about the arrest of this Malda murder case? Your party man was arrested.
What does it manifest? It manifests that our administration, it doesn't see who the party is, who the member is of which party. So if there is anything wrong done by any member, even if it is our party, the administration takes strong steps. So this is what has happened. It is in the preliminary stage, but yet they have been arrested.
Ma'am, Mamata Banerjee yesterday alleged that West Bengal State is not getting any support to organize the Ganga.
Yes, that is known to everyone. Kumbh Mela is being supported. So this is what I said in the pre-budget meeting also, where our Honorable Union Finance Minister was chairing that meeting. So I said there that Kumbh Mela is receiving, but we are not receiving any for the Ganga Sagar Mela. But I do not know what will be done. Yet nothing has been done.
BJP alleged that the money which is always given to the state is basically TMC is misusing the money.
Someone will say something that doesn't carry any sense, because whatever BJP is saying, we are collecting GST and our collection is on the higher side. We are sharing it with central government. When we collect from anyone money, 50% is taken by central government. So CGST has to be paid. Then the question of SGST arises. So what BJP is saying, I do not know. What has been done? If there has been any thing which has been done which is wrong, then that portion might be looked into. Investigation might be carried on for that. But for that, everything is stopped. So far as this Panchayat and other departments is concerned, this is not done. This cannot be done.
Lastly, Delhi election will be held in a single phase.
Cannot be, because our constitution says that we have to keep a federal system. So 5 years after 5 years election, this is what our constitution says. And now entire constitution and the concept of the constitution has to be changed. The preamble has to be changed. You know, all the laws, they depend on the preamble. Any law which is beyond the preamble is unconstitutional. So they are saying something which doesn't fall under the preamble itself. So that sovereignty will be at question if this is done. So this is where we are joining issue and saying that this cannot be done. One nation, one vote. What does it mean then? You are going to break the governments in the middle of their, full term. Can you do that? So they are thinking, but they can think say many things aloud, but nothing will happen.
Yeah, what is the status of this new virus in HP?
No, yesterday our Honorable Chief Minister, she had already explained that this is not strength in this, there is such strength in this virus that there will be any type of casualty in that way. So she has already explained the entire thing yesterday.
Did you get any patients in having any patients in our state?
No, not to my knowledge yet.
After that, did you take any precautions for that?
No, already notifications have been issued and awareness campaigns are being made on behalf of this health department of our state. So people are conscious about it, they are being sensitized. So this is being done by the department.
Okay.